The hidden banking secrets that can seriously change your financial future. Today, we are diving deep into the world of banking that can change your future. Not the boring kind, not the confusing kind, but the kind that can literally change how your money works for you. These are banking secrets most people were never taught. Secrets that can quietly boost your financial future without working harder, without earning more. And yes, these are real strategies you can actually test. Let me ask you something. Do you ever feel like no matter how much you work, no matter how careful you try to be, your money just disappears? You get paid. You feel good for a moment. And then suddenly, bills, subscriptions, groceries, gas, random expenses you did not plan for. And before you know it, your balance is back to zero. If that sounds familiar, listen closely. You are not bad with money. You are not lazy. You are not irresponsible. You are experiencing something millions of people are dealing with right now. Living paycheck to paycheck, barely staying ahead, one emergency away from financial stress, a car repair, a medical bill, a broken phone, and boom, financial panic. Most people think this is normal. It is not. The real problem is something no one talks about. A lack of financial education, especially when it comes to banking. Most of us were never taught how banks actually work, how they make money, or how we're supposed to use them to our advantage. We were taught how to open an account. That's it. After that, we were on our own. So today, we're pulling back the curtain. We're going to talk about how banks quietly profit from uninformed customers, how small banking choices cost people thousands of dollars, and how you can flip the system so it works for you. By the end of this video, you will never look at your bank account the same way again. Why banking knowledge matters more than you think. Here's a hard truth. Your bank can either help you build wealth or silently drain you. Most people don't realize how much money they lose every single year to monthly account fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, low-interest savings accounts, high-interest debt. Each fee seems small by itself. $10 here, $35 there, a tiny percentage lost to inflation. But over time, it adds up to hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars per year. Money that could have gone toward savings, paying off debt, investing, or simply sleeping better at night. So let's talk about the banking secrets most people overlook. Secret number 1, high-interest savings accounts. Let me ask you a simple question. If your savings account earns 0.01% interest, is your money growing? No, it's actually losing value. Because inflation exists. That means the money sitting in a traditional savings account is slowly shrinking in real buying power. This is where high-interest savings accounts change the game. These accounts often pay many times more interest than traditional banks. Over time, that difference becomes massive. And here's what makes this so powerful. Your money stays accessible. There's no risk, no complicated setup, no constant management. Your bank literally pays you more just for putting your money in the right place. This is one of the easiest financial upgrades you can make. And yet, millions of people never do it because no one told them. Secret number 2, bank fees are optional. Banks love fees. Why? Because most people don't notice them, or they think they can't avoid them. Monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, ATM fees, minimum balance penalties. Here's the truth. Many of these fees are completely optional. Some banks waive them if you set up direct deposit, maintain a minimum balance, Use online statements. Other banks don't charge them at all. So let me say this clearly. If your bank is charging you just to hold your money, that is a red flag. You wouldn't pay rent to store your phone in your pocket. So why pay a bank to store your money? Secret number 3. Your credit score is a money tool. Your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your life. It affects loan approvals, interest rates, credit card offers, car payments, even insurance costs in some states. A higher credit score doesn't just look good. It saves you money. Better credit means lower interest rates, smaller monthly payments, less money wasted on interest. Even a small increase in your score can save you thousands over time. And here's the part most people miss. Credit optimization is not complicated. Pay your bills on time, keep balances low, avoid unnecessary debt, don't open accounts you don't need. Banks reward consistency, not perfection. Secret number 4. Bank rewards are free money if used right. This is one of the most overlooked tools in banking. Rewards programs, cashback, points, travel perks, discounts, all for spending money you were already going to spend. But here's the key. Rewards only work if you pay balances responsibly. If you're paying interest, the rewards lose their value fast. Used correctly, it's like getting paid for being organized with your money. Secret number 5. Sign-up bonuses are a financial boost. Now let's talk about the one that really surprises people. Bank sign-up bonuses. Some banks offer $100, $300, even $500, just for opening an account and meeting simple requirements. Things like setting up direct deposit, keeping the account open for a short time, making basic transactions. Think about that. You can earn hundreds of dollars just by choosing the right bank. That money could kickstart your emergency fund, pay down debt, cover essential expenses. It's not a trick, it's marketing. Banks want new customers. Smart people take advantage. The bigger picture, make the system work for you. Here's what all these secrets have in common. They do not require a high income, advanced investing knowledge, risky decisions. They require awareness. Banks are businesses. They design systems to benefit themselves first. Once you understand those systems, you can flip the advantage. Instead of earning nothing on savings, overpaying on interest, you start keeping more of what you have, growing money faster, reducing financial stress. That is real financial power. If you learned something today, share it. Someone out there is struggling silently with money stress. And if you want to keep leveling up your financial life, check out our next coming video on smart budgeting strategies. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have any question, please let me know and don't forget to subscribe.